गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज हमारे बीच में अंकित और रवि हैं जो कि एमेट चेन्नई से मर्चेंट नेवी के लिए का कोर्स कर रहे हैं। और आज हमारे बीच ये दोनों लोग हैं जो आज नए जूनियर्स हैं और जो आज की नई जनरेशन है उसको अपना मैसेज देने के लिए हैं और ये बताने के लिए है कि क्यों हमें मर्चेंट नेवी करियर को चुनना चाहिए। फ्रेंड्स, इट्स अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू नो the intricacies of this career. So let's talk Ankit and Ravi. Ankit, the first question that why did you take Merchant Navy as this career opportunity?
The first important thing was that I was an average student. The basic thing which is required for an average student I had. So I wanted a job in which I can roam around the world. I also wanted to have all the adventures I can take, and also wanted to have good salary. So I applied for this career.
Okay.
Yes.
The next question I would like to ask is what are the qualities that are needed to become a successful Merchant Navy officer?
So first of all, that needed is discipline is a very important role in that shipping career or Merchant Navy. In any field, the discipline is most important. So that without discipline, a body cannot run.
Okay. Ankit, what according to you?
First and foremost thing, as he said rightly, is discipline. Then second thing, you don't need to have anything rocket science knowledge for going into a merchant navy. You have to have basic things of whatever is taught in your school. When you enter in college, it is started from a zero level. Then it is increased, and you have to have all those information in your brain, all the basic things you have to have. Then you as a series of platforms you get on different levels of semesters. You get to know each and everything very, once your basic things is being sound, then everything goes easy. And nothing very much rocket science or nothing like that.
Okay.
You should be hardworking. It should be disciplined. You should have a good communication skills. That's it.
These things are very important.
These things.
Okay, Ravi, I would like to ask you, when should we apply? Means what is the right time of the year when we should start applying for this Merchant Navy career?
Sir, as I know, as I faced that after 12th, I settled 2 years, so that was a loss from my side. And I would like to suggest the new generation that after finishing 12th, they should go for any type of opportunity. Like if they want to join armed force, India or Merchant Navy, they go for it.
I mean to say that after just passing after 12th examination, you should start preparing, and in the month of April, May, June, you can apply to different private and government colleges.
Don't drop a year.
Because sir, that's main time.
Okay.
When a person just qualifying their 12th, so they have that mindset to go in any type of opportunity which they get.
Okay.
So they should go.
It's easy for them.
Okay. Ankit, there are a number of institutes conducting Merchant Navy courses.
Yes.
But can you tell me some 4 or 5 names in government sector and private sector where one should apply?
In government sector, you have basically all the IMU, Indian Maritime Universities, and first is T.S. Chanakya, then second T.S. Rajendra, then you have all the IMUs, in fact, all the IMUs.
IMU CET.
Yes, definitely. It's through IMU CET, all the IMUs are there. Then in private sector, you have Tolani, you have AMET, you have Great Eastern Institute, you have Anglo-Eastern Institute, you have MANET. So these are the top colleges.
You can apply online to all
yes.
these colleges,
yes.
right?
Yes.
And the written test is followed by an interview.
Yeah, you go for a written test. Then as you clear the test, the next round is interview.
Okay.
You clear the interview, you go into admission college.
Okay. The next question is, why one should take this career? What are the benefits and what are the perks and incentive one can get after commission on a ship?
Definitely, this is the most lucrative career according to me. Why? Because is that you get to roam around the world. You get paid for going around the world. You take responsibilities of billions and trillions dollars of cargo that you have on the ship. Also, the ship is very expensive. It's not a very thing in which it's a day-to-day thing. Okay.
So great responsibility.
Great responsibility, very great responsibility. And then what else is that you get a special status. You don't have to pay taxes. Okay. You get an NRI.
You don't need to pay income tax.
No. Okay. As if you roam around for outside of India for 182 days.
Okay.
You don't have to pay taxes, minimum. Okay. Then also you have a global working environment. Only one person would be Indian on your ship.
Okay.
Others will be from different countries.
The total number of crew is 18 on board in ship.
Well, one point. Do Indians get good job opportunities outside like UK, Canada, and Singapore?
In aspect of merchant navy.
Yes.
Let me tell you, Indian officers have a great respect in overall world.
Okay.
Indian merchant navy officers have a great respect in overall world because they are striving for excellence.
Okay.
They do all the jobs required in a way it should be done. They have the discipline required to do the jobs. Ship owners are very happy
अच्छा.
from Indian officers.
अंकित, एक सवाल, एक नॉर्मल क्लास 12 पास स्टूडेंट को तैयारी कैसे करनी चाहिए, क्या सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ने चाहिए, कैसे उसको प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए?
नॉर्मली अगर आप क्लास 12 में हो तो बेसिक जो नॉर्मली 12 में पढ़ाया जाता है, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथ्स, इंग्लिश, इन पे ध्यान दीजिए. जो भी बेसिक चीजें हैं ज़्यादा मतलब अगर इस फील्ड के लिए अप्लाई करना चाह रहे हो तो बहुत रॉकेट साइंस में नहीं जाना है, डीप नहीं जाना है, डीप नहीं पढ़ना है. You should have all the basic things that is needed in class 12 and 11. According to that only you get selected. That's it. Because all you see new subjects.
Okay. Anything from your side, Ravi?
Sir, because they are new in that career, so after finishing that 12, they have that mental potential ability to succeed in their life,
Okay.
and that potential strength they have.
Okay.
So that have to come within themselves, and they can show their power.
So at last, I would like to ask you to deliver a message to those who aspire to have a career in this field. कुछ उनके बारे में मैसेज दीजिए जो इस करियर में अपना भविष्य तलाश रहे हैं, जाना चाहते हैं.
अगर आप ऐसी करियर चाहते हैं जिसमें आपको अच्छी सैलरी मिले, अच्छा जॉब करियर, अच्छा जॉब और पूरा वर्ल्ड घूमने को मिले, एडवेंचर लाइफ हो, पेड हॉलीडेज हो, और सबसे बड़ी बात आप रिस्पॉन्सिबल रहते हैं, आपकी पूरी लाइफ में आप एक फिट आदमी रहते हो. ऐसी जॉब है ये कि इसमें आपको हमेशा फिट रहना होता है. तो आप अपनी लाइफ में डिसिप्लिन इन्वॉल्व कर सकते हैं, रेगुलरिटी है, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो दीज थिंग्स मेक यू अ वेरी गुड citizen. So I think this is a very good career for you all. Merchant Navy is the best career, I think.
Thank you, Ankit, and thank you, Ravi, for being part of this conversation.
Yes.
And I hope that the aspirants will be greatly benefited from this conversation. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.